Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe, don't come out. If you're coming out, wear your mask. Okay, now today in this class, we are going to see our third lesson book back exercises. Okay, book back exercises we are going to see. Okay, now the first exercise we see in a book back is rearrange the jumble words. Rearrange the jumble words. Okay, see there is a word called put in. Okay, is there any word like this put in? Okay, in computer? No, right? So what we have to do is we have to bring this two letters in, two letters in front. Okay, we have to bring these two letters in. Okay, this in should come in front, then this will become input. Okay, then this will become input. Okay, you just split the word into two halves. Okay, into two halves, bring this last half to the front part, then this will become meaningful computer word. Okay, so input. Okay, see here I have rearranged and I have written in the correct order. Input. Okay, this is the right one. Input, understand? Then see here, put out. Okay, put out. What is this? Is there any meaning for put out? So what you should do is you should bring this out in the front part, in the front part, output. Okay, then this will become output. Okay, see here I have written output. Okay, in the right manner you should write output, output, output. Okay, this second one. Then you see the third one. What is this? It, un. Okay, there is no meaningful word. Okay, so what we should do is you should rearrange it. Okay, so you should bring this un in front. Okay, you should bring this un in front, then this will become unit. Okay, this will become unit. See here, unit, unit. Okay, this will become unit. Okay, then fourth one. What is this? Sultry. Sultry, is there any meaning for this word? No, right? So what we have to do is you bring this re in the front, re in the front, then this will become result. Okay, this will become result. Okay, result. See here I have made it result, 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 result. Okay, then see here, terpin. Is there any meaning? Is there any word like that in English? No, right? So what we have to bring this PRIN, these four letters has to come in front. Then this would become printer. Okay, this would become printer. Okay, see here I have arranged in a manner, meaningful manner. PRINTER, printer. PRINTER, printer. Okay, this is how we have to arrange the meaningless words into meaningful words. Okay, this is how we should arrange the meaningless words into meaningful word. Okay, okay. Now we are going to learn these words. Okay, as a spelling words too. Okay, as a new words too. Okay, now I am going to read this, you are going to repeat it. Okay, so I will read once, after me you have to repeat twice or thrice. Okay, kids? Okay, the first one is input, INPUT, input. Okay, repeat after me, INPUT, 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 input. Okay, then the second one is output, 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 output. Okay, then the third one is unit. UNIT, unit. UNIT, unit. UNIT, unit. Then the fourth one is result. RESULT, result. RESULT, result. Okay, RESULT, result. Okay, then the fifth one is printer. PRINTER, printer. Okay, are you all repeating after me? You have to repeat after me, only then the word will come and sit in your mind. Okay, PRINTER, printer. PRINTER, printer. PRINTER, printer. Okay, this is how we have to repeat all the words at least 3 to 5 times, only then it will sit in your mind. Okay, even in the midnight, if I wake you and ask you what is the spelling for result, you would be able to tell me the result immediately. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, we have to repeat every word at least 3 to 5 times. Okay, then this will sit in your mind. Okay, then we will move on to the next exercise. Okay, in this exercise you are going to say the computer accept what and all. Computer will accept what and all. Okay, can keyboard accept the following things? Write yes or no. Okay, what and all the computer will accept, that is what we are going to learn. Okay, see here, there is a beautiful flower, isn't it? Very beautiful flower. Okay, do you think the computer keyboard will accept this? Will accept this? No, it will not accept. Okay, because the computer doesn't have any feeling, isn't it? Computer doesn't have any feeling. Even if you pinch the computer will not cry. But if I pinch you, you will cry, isn't it? So the computer and human both are different. Okay, so the computer doesn't have any feeling, so it won't accept any flower. Then if I give you alphabets, okay, if I give alphabets, then will it accept? Yes, it will accept. Okay, any letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z, whatever I want, I can give. The computer will accept all the letters, isn't it? All alphabets computer will accept. Okay, then see here, the bag. Okay, school bag, very beautiful bag. Okay, favorite one, and I bought it, and I would like to give it to my computer. The computer, will it accept? No, the computer will not at all accept. Okay, because the computer doesn't have any feeling. Okay, then I love to eat cake. I love to eat cake, so I would like to give to my favorite computer. Will it accept? No, it will not at all accept. Okay, very tasty cake, but computer will not accept. Okay, then see here, I would like to ask computer, what is the answer for 2 plus 2? Okay, what is the answer for 2 plus 2? Okay, the computer immediately will tell me it is 4. Isn't it? It is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, am I right? 2 plus 2 is not 3, right? Okay. Yes, it is 4 only. Okay, we will do mistake, but computer will not at all make any mistake. Okay, it will give you the perfect answer. Okay, perfect answer it will give you. Okay, then see here, this is a pen, very beautiful pink pen. Pink. How many of you like pink color like me? Okay, many of you would be liking pink color. Okay, this is a beautiful pink pen, but unfortunately computer doesn't have any feeling, so it won't accept. Okay, but anyone if in pink color if you give, they will accept, but computer will not. Okay, then see here a beautiful keyboard. Okay, computer can be, it can be connected with the computer and can be played. So any music, it will, if you type, you we can also use a keyboard as a physical keyboard, musical keyboard, and we can make it too. Okay, options are there. The computer has come very advanced now. Okay, so the computer will accept all kind of music. Okay, see here, this one, I am giving numbers to computer. Will it accept? Yes, the computer will accept all the numbers. Any number you give, it will accept. Okay, if I want to give 53 plus 43, if I want to give 48 divided by 20, anything, what else, any numbers I can give, and all numbers I can give, the computer will accept. Okay, now I love eating ice creams. I love eating ice creams. Can I give this ice cream to my computer? No, the computer will not at all accept. The computer will not at all accept. So the computer doesn't have any feeling. Okay, then I would like to give class 1 to computer. I would like to type class 1 to computer. The computer will allow me to type in. Yes, the computer will definitely allow me to type, because the computer keyboard has all the alphabet keys and all the numeric keys. So whatever the alphabet or whatever the numeric, everything I can type in. Okay, now see here, write whether the following is input or output unit. Okay, you will have to find out which is input, which is output. Okay, now the first one, you can see the first one is what? Mouse, isn't it? The mouse is input unit. Okay, the mouse is input unit. Then you can see here printer. The printer is output unit. The printer is output unit. Okay, the mouse is input unit and the printer is output unit. You can see here, this is monitor. Monitor is output unit. Okay, this is output unit. Okay, because it shows you the result. Okay, the any unit of a computer gives you result, then that unit is called as output unit. Okay, since because your monitor gives you the result, it is output unit. Okay, then you see here keyboard. Okay, this keyboard has all the letters, so it accepts all the alphabets and numbers, so it is input unit. Okay, what and all the parts of computer accepts commands from you, called as input unit. What are all the parts of computer gives you result, then those parts are called as output unit. This is why mouse and keyboards are input and monitor and printers are called as output. Okay, now clearly you people would have understood. Okay, now we'll move on to next slide. Okay, see here a paragraph have given. You need to fill the right word in this paragraph. Okay, see here, computer has different units. Computer has different units. Okay, then the second one is dash is an input unit. Which one is input unit? Keyboard. Keyboard is an input unit. Okay, then dash is an output unit. Which one is output unit? Monitor is an output unit. We can print the output on paper through printer. Okay, we can print the output through printer. Okay, printer will give you the result as a printed result. Okay, then we click on dash to give command to computer. We click on what?